In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Market Cap Filter. We'll walk through the Finviz stock screener and focus specifically on isolating companies by size, so you can quickly scan only the kinds of stocks that fit your strategy. First, open your web browser and head to finviz.com/screener.ashx. That takes you straight to the Finviz screener. If it opens to a different tab, look for the set of tabs near the top and switch to the descriptive tab. This is where Finviz groups high-level filters like exchange, sector, and the one we need today, market cap. On the descriptive tab, find the market cap drop-down in the list of filters. Market capitalization is simply a company's share price multiplied by the number of shares outstanding. It's a quick way to sort companies by size. In Finviz, you'll see several preset ranges: mega for the largest companies, then large, mid, small, micro, and nano at the smallest end. Think of these as tiers that help you focus on blue chips, growth names, or higher-risk small caps, depending on what you want to analyze. Click the range that matches your search. The moment you do, the screener updates automatically and displays only the stocks that fall within that size category. You don't need to press an extra apply button. The results refresh right away. Take a moment to glance at the results count above the table so you know how many names you're working with. If you want tighter results, you can optionally combine this with other filters on the same page. For example, pairing a market cap range with a sector, country, price, or average volume filter can trim the list to a manageable set that still meets your criteria. Keep it simple at first. Add or remove filters gradually to see how each choice changes the results. Finally, review the updated list. Scroll through the tickers and make sure the companies align with your research goals for that market cap tier. Mega caps tend to be more stable but slower growing, while micro and nano caps can move quickly and carry higher risk. Use the filtered list as a starting point for deeper investigation, like reading company profiles or recent news. That's all there is to it. By using the market cap filter on the descriptive tab, you can immediately narrow the universe of stocks to the sizes that best match your plan.